Creating a safe environment for your little one is a top priority for every parent. Baby gates are an essential tool to help you achieve a secure home. Here's a guide to choosing the best baby gates for your needs. Before purchasing a baby gate, consider the areas you need to secure. Staircases, doorways, and play areas are common places where baby gates are most effective. Measure the width of these spaces to ensure a proper fit. There are different types of baby gates to suit various needs. Pressure-mounted gates are easy to install and ideal for doorways. However, they're not recommended for the top of stairs due to potential slipping. Hardware-mounted gates provide a more secure option for staircases, as they are screwed into the wall. Consider the material and design of the gate. Metal gates offer a durability, while wooden gates provide a more aesthetic appeal. Some gates come with a walk-through feature, which is convenient for high-traffic areas. Safety features are crucial. Look for gates with a reliable locking mechanism that's easy for adults to operate, but difficult for children. Ensure the gate is tall enough to prevent your child from climbing over. Installation is key to effectiveness. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure the gate is securely mounted. Regularly check the gate's stability and make adjustments as needed. Remember, baby gates are just one part of child-proofing your home. Supervision is always necessary, as no gate can replace the watchful eye of a parent. Choosing the right baby gate can provide peace of mind and a safe space for your child to explore. With the right gate, you can create a secure environment that allows your little one to thrive.